Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to wipe laptop before selling safely. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to Geeker Mag. Before proceeding, make sure you have created backup of the important data on the laptop on external drive, as all data will be deleted by the end of the video. Alright, right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, switch to system. On the right side, select recovery. Under recovery options, click on the reset PC button next to reset this PC option. On this dialog, click on the remove everything button. Here, click on the local reinstall. Cloud download is useful when you are keeping the laptop after deleting all the data. On this screen, click on the next button. Wait for a few minutes. Now this is the final step. You will get quick information about what will be deleted. It will remove all personal files, user accounts, remove all the settings, remove all apps and programs, and reinstall Windows. And finally click on the reset button. Now system will start preparing for the reset. Once progress reaches to 100%, system will restart automatically. Now all the process is automated and you just need to sit tight. The process will take 5 to 10 minutes. Just to make this video short, I am fast forwarding the process. Once process completes, you will see this screen. Now you can turn off your laptop and hand it over to the buyer. So this is how to wipe laptop running Windows 11 before selling. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.